Oh man, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with you, Bill. Well, the base looks
I
nice.
know, right? I'm just one of them shirts. Cactuses. Cacti. They hurt you, I think, if you run into them. Okay.
True story. What's the coordinates for the base?
Home is 173.
You're right.
64. Yeah. Oh boy.
173. Go ahead.
64.
I don't need the elevation.
Oh, that's right. Negative 5. Hold on, scratch that. Negative. My dyslexia kicked in. Negative 157.
Damn it.
Are
you sure it's 157?
No, set that at 751.
Well, got.
Dyslexia. No, it's 157. Negative 157.
I hate you. All right.
Or it means I'm gonna die, or I have AIDS, or something like that.
Yeah, let's go with AIDS. That sounds about like you.
You have AIDS. Wait, what's that? And I'm dead. Boom. Dead. Right there on the spot. Oh,
wow.
I turn on creative mode, so if you mine is double tap space to fly. I'm just floating back right now, so I may help you.
Oh.
And you're welcome. I'm gonna turn it off as soon as I get home.
Oh, that's why all the buttons were f***ed up.
Oh, that actually makes a lot of sense now.
Mm-hmm.
I was gonna tell you about that at some point.
Yeah, thanks, Cole.
Yeah. Da-da-da-da-da-da. 80, yay!
And not much. I didn't do much.
That's pretty dope.
Yeah, it was. It was pretty good.
I went to class, and I came home and I finished my paper on Al Qaeda, and then
Are you gonna go join them?
Yeah. No.
I mean, yeah. I'm the king of poor decisions. What are you gonna do with your life? I thought about joining Al Qaeda, but that seemed like I don't know. I don't think that's working out too well for that one lady.
They didn't offer a good enough bonus for me.
Oh, did they put some kind of like an elasticity thing in the game? So like when you turn around, it's almost like you gain traction or something? Like when you're flying?
No idea.
Because it's kind of cool.
Okay. We'll just kind of...
Oh my god. Oh, that's right, because it's creative mode. I was just sitting here launching eggs, and I'm like, the eggs aren't going away, but chickens are hatching. What's going on? And then I just realized, because it's creative mode, I'm actually just throwing these random eggs. And these random eggs just keep respawning in my inventory.
So many chickens. Oh god, what a... We played God! We played God!
Wait till you see how many chickens are in this one coop.
Oh my god, it's a PETA violation, isn't it?
I don't know. Listen to you talking like I know the rules to PETA.
Yeah. No one takes them seriously. Oh, there it is right there.
Die, Bill, you idiot.
Oh my god, I just see a chicken out here. I just hear him crawling around. Chip, 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 chip. You. Bird. Hey, what the f*** is happening?
I threw eggs.
Oh
Hey, do you want some chicken?
I'm a vegetarian, you
What? That's it. Game over. I'm out.
And Jeremy has left the game. Oh my god, they're everywhere. This is... Oh my god, Jeremy,
Wonderful,
why?
isn't it?
Back, you heathens! Back!
I was lonely.
You're welcome.
Good job, Bill. Proud of you for all the things that you... Whatever.
I don't mean to suck my own yeah.
Why not? Nobody else is gonna do it.
Bill has left the game. You.
Fair enough. Oh, sorry. It was an apple.
Huh?
Swear to God. I hit you with an apple.
Achoo. Sorry. Gesundheit. Oh yeah, Jeremy.
What?
I put a banner outside.
What? A what?
Yeah, I put a banner outside from those guys. Go out there. Yeah, tower I found.
What the f?
That was for my compound. Wait, hold on. What the f? How did I fire this thing? Oh, whoa, wow. I'm retarded. That's for my compound bow.
Yeah, I kind of caught that. This is from
Ow.
an apple. You don't even know what you're doing.
For the obsidian, for the, I have no idea what I'm doing.
You take the d out of your mouth.
Why don't you take the out of your ear?
What?
Yeah, exactly. I'm not the brightest guy. My mom and dad were probably high on cocaine when I was conceived.
Do do